Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make this eye look. And this was onto my Pinterest since a while now, and I wanted to recreate it since a long time, and I just thought that why not make a tutorial about the same so that it would be helpful for you guys too. So without a further ado, let's just begin with the video. Okay, so for this particular eye makeup, I'm going to use this paper tape. Now you can use your normal cello tape also, but for the video purpose I'm using this paper tape. So simply for getting the perfect wing over here, and if you are just beginning with eye makeup, using a cello tape or a paper tape, anything is your go-to thing for your eye makeups to look very good. And this is what I have marked it. We'll proceed with one eye and then I'll do the another eye off camera, and then I'll show you the final look. I think eye makeup, I'll begin with a kajal. This one is from Lakme in their iconic kajal range. So this one is the black kajal, and I'm also going to use a brown kajal for this video. So if you don't have brown kajal, you can move on with a brown eyeshadow also instead. So this is what my kajal looks like, and yeah, it's already finished. I need to follow the steps that I'm following. I'm going to make a wing with the kajal itself because I just want to mark the lines for my eyeliner. So just a small wing. And if you are a beginner, I would always suggest you to use this paper tape, or you can also go in with a normal cello tape also, because it's very easy and handy to use a cello tape and a paper tape if you are a beginner, because it's not going to leave you messing up the entire area of your eyes. Okay, so if you can see it, this is what I've done till now. Now I'm going to take a brush and you have to just smudge what you have done. I'm taking a brush, a rounded one. I'm just going to smudge off everything. Almost the kajal has been smudged. I hope you can see it. I'm going to do the same on my waterline also with the same black kajal that I'm using. Now I'm going to go in with a brown kajal just on the top. For a brown kajal, I'm going with the Faces Canada, and this is very good. If you are about to purchase a brown kajal in budget, this one is very good. And I've almost finished this entire pencil. I just need a little bit of brown kajal in the center over here. I'm just going to put it over there. And if you don't have a brown kajal, do not worry, you can simply go in with the brown eyeshadow. But I like mixing a little bit of brown because my eyes are a little bit of brown, so they complement. Just in the center, and then I'm just going to simply smudge it. Okay, with the same brush, I'm just going to simply smudge it off. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using, the one from Maybelline, simply the Colossal range. I have to only use the eyeliner for making a wing and the inner corner filling. So this step is a little important. Let me move a little bit closer to the camera so that it is visible to all of you. I've made a wing. It might not be looking right now because of the paper tape also has got a little bit of black from that side. Remove the paper tape, it will be very precisely visible. Now we have to fill the inner corners with the eyeliner itself. If your lashes are very tiny or you like larger lashes, this is one trick that I do and gives me larger lashes, like lashes larger than my life. And trust me on this, it works always. So you need a spool, so you can use your dried up mascaras also, but I have another one, so I'm using this. And basically you have to just separate all the lashes before you actually go in with the mascara. So I'll do it over here. And this step, do it very slowly because I've already hurted my left eye while doing it, so go in very slowly. You have to only and only separate your lashes before you actually begin with applying mascara. And this one step will give you lashes larger than your life. Like, it makes a very great difference. And go in with any of your mascaras. I'm using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara, and what you have to do is you have to remove all the extra product that has been coming over your mascara wand. So just remove it. Now you have a very clean wand. So before going in horizontally, you have to just separate your lashes vertically. Now this step might be a little messier, but hold your mascara tip in an angle and then you can go in. This is simply going to separate your lashes before you actually go in horizontally. That is very satisfying. Oh my god. Can you see? This is how the final look has turned out to look like, and I am pretty impressed with the eye makeup. I can literally look at my eyes for a while now. Like, they look so pretty. Perfect black smoky eye makeup. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys get notified about it.